You have the Mazda Miata MX-5 91 through maybe 96, and you're about to work under the hood, but you don't know how to do that. The first thing that you do is this. Underneath the hood, there's a lever right here, and once you push that lever in, you can now lift the hood. Once you lift that hood, it has another lever over here that lifts up, and you can just throw it there, and now you can work it. It'll stay there, and it also has a latch down here once you close it that it fits into, so then you can close the hood. Another place where you can put it is right there. It's fine right there, and now you can work under the hood. Once you're done with it, put it down. Right there. Yeah, you have space right there. Now you know how to keep the hood open on a Mazda Miata MX-5.